So you want to buy a business, but you're not sure what you even qualify for? You're not alone. Most first-time buyers come to me asking the exact same thing. Daniel, I want to buy a business, but where do I even start? And that's exactly what we're going to cover today. Hey there, and welcome to Loan to Launch. I'm Daniel Park, your host. I work with business buyers every single day, helping them secure SBA loans to buy the right business the smart way. And in today's video, I'm going to show you what makes you a qualified buyer, what lenders are really looking for, and how to set yourself up for a solid yes. If you're new to the process, don't worry. I'll break it down step by step in plain English like I do on every call. One of my favorite moments in this job is the very first call with a client. Someone asks, Daniel, I want to buy a business, but I have no idea where to begin. And by the end of that conversation, the light bulb goes off. They finally get it. And that's what I want for you in this video. So let's dive into the 5 most important things you need to know about before buying a business with an SBA loan. First up, your down payment. SBA requires at least 10% down, but that's 10% of the total project cost, not just the price tag of the business. So what does that include? That includes the purchase price, any leasehold improvements, inventory and equipment, working capital, SBA guarantee fees, and closing costs. So let's do some quick math. If the business price is $500,000, equipment is $50,000, working capital is $30,000, and fees and closing costs is $20,000, the total project cost ends up being $600,000. That means you need to bring at least $60,000 in equity. And lenders will ask, where's that money coming from? Is it coming from personal savings? A retirement rollover? Friends and family? Maybe an investor? You'll need to document it. A pro tip is do not empty your bank account to hit that minimum. If you're left with 0 reserves, most banks will pause. Another bonus tip is seller financing might reduce your down payment. We'll cover that in another video. Next up is your experience. Lenders want to see, can you actually run this business? They'll look at your resume and ask, have you been a leader before? Have you worked in this industry or something similar? You don't need to be a perfect fit, but you do need to show that you're capable of running the show. And yes, you'll need to write a personal statement. Why this? Why this business? Why now? And what's your plan? An important thing is SBA loans are for owner-operators, not passive investors. You have to be involved. Also, some businesses require licenses. If the seller holds one, you'll need a plan to get it transferred or replaced after the sale. Let's talk about your current job. Are you planning to leave it, or are you trying to keep it while running the business? Lenders want to know, can you actually do both? If your day job is demanding, you'll need a clear plan on how you'll split your time and still stay involved in the business. Now let's talk about the heartbeat of every SBA loan: cash flow. The business you're buying must generate enough income to pay the loan and cover your personal income needs. Lenders will look at net income, add-backs like depreciation and interest, and your proposed salary. Don't just trust the broker's spreadsheet. Do your own analysis. Ask smart questions. Spot red flags. Your lender can help, but it's your responsibility to understand the numbers. Let's wrap this up with a quick checklist. Here's what makes you a qualified SBA buyer. You've got the equity to invest. You have relevant or transferable experience. You'll be active in the business. The business has strong, proven cash flow. When you understand your numbers and your story, you can walk into any deal with confidence, and more importantly, lenders will feel confident in you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this gave you the clarity you need to begin your SBA acquisition journey with confidence. Drop your questions in the comments. If you want to connect directly, my contact information is in the description below. I drop new SBA lessons every single week, so if this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the next one. You're on a big journey, and I'm here to help you make smart, strategic moves every step of the way. With that said, until next time, take care.